Hello, you all come to another tutorial. It is time with Dope Mike and call me Dope Mike because I am very dope. And today I am going to break down an Afro beat that I made for Wizkid, Burna Boy, Thames, Ayra and Omah. So I have made a beat already. So what I'm going to do is to break down how I started playing the beat from the beginning to the end. So dope people, let's do this together and I welcome you once again. It is time with Dope Mike. So I'm not going to take much of your time. I'll be going straight to the tutorial. So I keep my BPM 107, sorry, 97. I keep my BPM 97. And as I always advise you to do, you put a little bit swing on the channel rack so that your beat could be groovy. This is a secret that every producer is hiding from you, but I'm here to give you all the secret. So you put the swing on. So when I started playing the beat, I had this melody idea. So that was the first melody idea that I have. Music is a feeling, don't force it. When it comes for you, it is good. So after that chord and melody, I had in mind of and quickly I always work with the stop plugins coming from FX Studio. I don't go too far away. I am a little bit natural and I like working with stems. So sometime at the end of the day, I had to render this chord progression melody into a waveform so that I can easily have a free access to it and also save my memory usage a little bit. So it's time with Dope Mic. And after that, I had another melody idea that we always hear in with Wizkid, the Nigerian singer Wizkid. We always have this melody back to back, pam 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 pam. So I had this melody in my mind. So it's crazy right there. So I had that melody in my mind also, and I had other various melody also. So I always advise you to keep your beats simple and straightforward. When you keep your beats simple, it creates space for the artist to vibe. It creates room for the artist to sing and also to feel free. Music is like a picture. So when a picture is too complicated, it doesn't look really good. So I had my melodies ideas already. So I started bringing my drums and I kept my drums a little bit heavy and simple. So I open up the beat with these drum patterns. It's actually going back to back with this one. I actually clone it. This is a clap, and I actually clone it with this one. So the two of them are moving together. And I had this crazy one. and followed by. So that was how I started with my drums, very soft. And along the line, I had to bring my kick drums, particularly at this end. When you look at my kick drum, I have cloned almost three kick drums. I have one, and I had another one again, another soft one, and I had a third one. I always make sure my kick is heavy, so I have cloned almost one, two, three, one, two, three. And there is a lot of panning happening on this drum. I have pan it so your beat could be a little bit groovy. It's time with Dope My. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. So I had my simple drums. I had a little bit of shakers along the line. So it's crazy. It's actually a very simple beat, well arranged, ready to be vibe on. It's crazy. When we go to my bass line, it is always simple. This is another secret. If you don't want your bass line to loop or to continue sound, this is what you are going to do. This is my bass. You just have to play with the envelope a little bit. You play with the envelope. First of all, when we have it off like this and everything was just as it is, you see that when you play your bass, it keeps looping. It's not going to stop at the same time. It's going to sound continuously. So let's play it and see. You could see that the attack, it is just, releasing, it is just going. It keeps looping without stopping. For the sake of the tutorial, I just have to be going in a simple way. So you can see that the bass, after every note, you can still hear the bass sound. That is not what you want to do, and that is not the best way. So this is how you do it to solve that problem. You come to uh, this place and you put this on and try to put the whole up, and you drop any other thing. You drop the decay, the release, and you have something looking like this. This is the best actually. So let's play and you see the difference between how it sounded first and how it's gonna sound now. So you could see that it's actually beautiful and it is stopping at the end of every note. So that is how you set it up. So it is time with Dope Mic, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, because over here I am going to bring you all the secrets. I'm going to show you how to do the best music production, how to keep your beat simple. So don't forget to subscribe. You just have to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video with any other person that you think really have to know much about music production, and leave your comment below and let me know the next video that you want to watch and whatever you want to learn. So for the sake of the tutorial and sake of your time, I have just produced beat for Wizkid, Thames, Omah. So I am going to play the beat from the beginning to the end, and thank you for watching today. See you next time. Peace.